Hello guys, today I will show you how to drain your oil. This is a 2020 X5 50i. You can see it as a V8. I'm only gonna drain and fill the oil. I'm not replacing the filter because the filter is only 2,000 miles old. But as you know, they use really thin oil on these cars. See, here's 0W30. It's too thin in my opinion. Right now in Texas heat, it's 107 degrees today, so we're gonna drain the oil and basically I'm replacing it with this here Castrol Edge 5W40. And he's got all the certifications, blah blah blah. So well, after the summer, we'll change back to the factory oil and replace the fuel, the oil filter as well. So right now, you want to open the filling cap so that it can drain. I can get it to open. All right. You can see. I don't know. You can't really see. It's more like a funnel in there. And then the drain plug is actually a hex, I think, and it's H8. The size is H8. I'll show you where it is located. The oil filter is at the bottom as well. Let's grab this piece of rag here anyway. Let's go ahead and... So this car has air suspension, so I raised the car to the highest setting and I'm able to go under it without jacks. For you, if you don't have the air ride, you're gonna have to jack up the car. And you see there's a jack up pad here in the middle. And then you can see here, this is the drain plug and this is the oil filter housing. So it's just that it goes down versus like this inline 6. The inline 6 is on the engine top. This one is a little different. So anyways, we're gonna have to drain this here. I'll put the drain pan, and just for your information, this car takes 11.6 cars or something. I'll double check and put it in the description, but it takes a lot of oil, so make sure you get a drain pan that actually capable of holding that much oil. This one is from Walmart. This seems very sturdy. I'll link the item as well, because I was looking for one. I already have one, but it just doesn't fill that much. Anyway, let's go ahead and drain the oil. If you're changing the filter, you see where it is, and then we'll fill the oil back up. All right, so we drained the oil. I kept it, left it draining until it was dripping very slowly. Anyways, there's a dipstick here, believe it or not. I know BMW omitted the dipstick a long time ago, I think since the E60 days, 5 Series. But this V8 has a dipstick for some reason. I don't know why, but whatever. I'm gonna use it as a measuring way. Anyways, and now I just put a funnel. So 11.1 carts is the oil capacity. Anyways, that's a lot of oil. I have two 5 carts jugs, and I have a leftover extra from a previous car. So I will use that to top it off. And yep, run this for the summer for the time being, and that's it. I hope this helps you. See you in the next one. Take care.